Hey guys, it's me Mia on another video on YouTube. So yeah, okay, never mind about that. So guys, you might be thinking that you know what I'm gonna make. I think you are actually too. We are going to be making slime with Elmer's glue, clear glue. It's transparent. That's all I'm gonna say. So I have the little bowl that I was using in the last video. Okay, and you might be thinking, Mia, is this really a special video? But it is, because I am going to be putting some of my glitters, well, all of them, but not all of the things, but into my slime. So I'm just going to get ready and clean up, so let's get going. Okay guys, so you might realise that you are just a little higher so then you can see. So now we are just going to start with the clear glue. Oh, I forgot. Okay guys, I forgot these. Oops. Okay, I got these, the water and stuff. So let's start making it. So I'm going to just roll my sleeves up. So I have used this clear glue, but I think I'm just going to use all of it now. Because like, I don't use much clear glue even though it's so satisfying. You know what, I won't use all of it. I think what I'm going to do when I make it, I'm going to separate it a little. So like, it can be half clear and then like half glitter. I guess that's actually it. Come on. Okay, guys, I'll be back with you when this is over. So guys, as you see, you might not see it, but it's there, it's clear. Okay, guys. Now I am going to add the water. So like first I'm just making the clear slime. I think I've gone too overway with that water. Well, at least it'll be stretchy. Okay, I'm just putting not a lot. Okay, so let's start mixing. Okay, it's already starting to come together. Sorry, this is why I don't put music on. I love singing instead of putting music on. Sorry, I'm just too overrated with. Is overrated even a word? I don't know. Someone has to comment down below in the comments if thing is a word. I'm just gonna say it is for now for me. In my world it is. It's coming together. Okay, we'll do the slime reveal in 3, 2, 1, yay! Okay guys, so I got my clear slime. Well, it's not clear now because like I didn't make it 2 days ago, guys. Okay, but here it is, just super stretchy. And so now I decided I don't want to like break it apart and half glitter and half something else. But I also decided to put a little amount of glitter. So like the glitters that I like are gonna go in here. So they are this white pearly colour, this pearl, not pearl, just pink, some purple. This is pinkish purple. This one, I'm doing my favourite one last, so stay in touch. And yeah, actually it was the last one, so is this it? I have no idea if this is it, guys. Is this blue? I'm just saying it's blue because there's no other colours that I have there. So 5, What's 5 out of 7, guys? Oh yeah, 12. Hey, that means I don't have all my glitters. I'm supposed to have 18. I don't mind, guys. I'll just look at after that, after the video. But as you see, it is super stretchy. Bubble puppy as well. I mean crunchy. Sorry, guys. I meant crunchy. Okay, so guys, I got my 5 glitters right next to me, as you can see on camera. Now I'm going to, now I am going to put this first one in. Actually, I'm going to start with the colour that I hate first, like out of this one. That is this one. Like this one's my second. Not hate, second. Same touch still. Even if you like that colour, just don't worry. It's just my opinion. Okay guys, I think I'm actually going to wait for it to melt down. So, stay in touch guys while I wait. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so don't worry about my slime, but I found where my other favourite glitters were. They're on the shelf, so sorry guys about that, but I am going to choose some of my favourites here. So, one of these, especially the blue one, that's my favourite. This yellow one is nice as well. Orange, pink, purple, and this pearl colour. They're the ones I'm going to choose. You guys go up here. Okay, guys. So I think that will be melting enough. I think that will be enough. So now I'm going to add my glitters, and you're going to watch me the whole way through. No fast runs or anything. So, yeah, guys, just watch me on this. So first I'm going to start with my unfavourite colour. Well, not like the one that I don't think I like a lot. This one. Like guys, I do have gold and silver. I just don't feel like I want it here. I'm actually going to add more. Oops, some spilling out already. Okay, it doesn't matter guys. One there. Now I'm going to start with my second, and that is this orange. Like, it's nice. It has some whitish, I think, or something. A few whitish glitters as well. Gonna put it right next to this purple. This looks so cool already. I hope this does not turn out as a brownish colour. Actually, you know what, guys? Also, actually, I already done those. Okay. I'm also going to add this colour as well, because this is actually a nice colour too. Okay. I spilled a lot on the table from there. Okay, now. Guys, I hope you can guess which colour I'm going to add the most of. This one. But I'm going to do that one last. Now, guys, it is going to be this purple. I was about to say pearl. Every time I say purple, it just reminds me of pearl. Okay, that'll be enough. Wonder how much glitter I put in here every time. Is it like 1,600? I don't know. I put a lot. Okay, next is this yellow. Because I actually like this yellow. It's quite bright and stands out. So that's a nice yellow. Stands out of the group. Okay, a few more. Okay, next I am going to do this pearl colour, because it's a really good one. It's white, like everyone says it's white, yeah. But then it's all like pearly sometimes when it's in some light, more light. That's what I say. I don't know, guys. Okay, this pink seems to be running out fast because a lot of people like it. So I'm going to put only a little, like that much. This is going to be a really good sign. But I think it's going to be brown, guys. So hopefully this does not turn into a brown. Okay, sorry guys if you do not like blue, but I had to. I love blue the most. That's my favourite colour. Okay, ready to mix it, guys. Oh, this feels so good. It feels like sand. Oh, it doesn't even stick now because of all the glitter. This is so cool. This just feels so good. Guys, I wish you could feel it. Oh, this feels good. Guys, if you can hear it, then amazing. Because look how cool it actually turned out. This is just so cool. At first, it wasn't even sticky. It can't even fit any more glitter. I'm just going to try and like sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. This is so satisfying. Like, seriously, guys. But now when I ever play with this slime, I know that I will get glittery hands. Oh, this feels so good. Feels like sand or something. But I am so proud of myself because this did not turn into a brown slime. So that is my favourite. Like, this should be like called adding too much ingredients in, adding too much glitter into my slime. That's what it should be called. Because look how much glitter. It's not even pokey anymore. But seriously, guys, look how cool this is. And guys, can you hear this? Guys, if you can hear that, just comment down below. I think my mum will make me clean up this mess soon. So I'm just going to try and put it in this slime as much as I can. Because I do have another slime. If you watch my mixing slime video, I do have another slime still. That I could put this glitter in, but still. I think this slime is my favourite yet. Oh, even though it's not even pokey, it's super stretchy. But as well as really, like, it's kind of crunchy too. Like, clear is always like a little bit sticky sometimes. But then when you get when you put glitter or some ingredients, it gets less sticky. Especially glitter. Glitter is the main ingredient that makes it unstickier. Come on, typical. This is actually so hard. Okay, but it's time to end this video here. If you like this video, smash that like button. And yeah, actually, I have another thing. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring that bell to go ding ding ding. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.